Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App Link Savings Account tutorial. First, open the Cash App on your device and log in. Once you are on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and select linked banks, or it may show up as linked accounts depending on your app version. Now tap add bank and you'll be given a few options. If your savings account is with a major bank, you can search for it directly. Once you find it, tap the name of your bank and sign in using your online banking credentials. This is a secure connection provided by Cash App's banking partner. If your savings account is with a smaller bank or credit union, you may need to manually enter your account number or routing number. After that, Cash App may ask to verify the account by sending two small deposits. This can take 1 to 2 business days. Once verified, your savings account will be linked and ready to use. Keep in mind, Cash App doesn't distinguish between checking and savings during the setup, so it's important to double check that you're entering your savings account information correctly. Also, make sure your savings account allows digital transfers because some savings accounts have limits on outgoing transactions. Once everything is set, you can transfer money to or from your savings account right from Cash App, helping you save or manage your finances more effectively. So this was it for today's video. If you liked this video and found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell, which is right beside the subscribe button, to get notification every time we upload any kind of tech tutorials video on our channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.